Students, today we are going to discuss the strategies for the poverty eradication. Now, as we know that village has been considered as the heart of the Indian economy, because if the village is prosperous, then each and everything will be prosperous. That is why, because the most of the people are living in the village, and most of the people who are engaged in and employed in rural area are depending approximately 60% on agriculture. So we can say social, economy and cultural development of India is possible only through the development of village. Without development of village, it is not possible the development of India. That is why we can say that village is the soul of the economy, and if the village is prosperous, then the development will be prosperous. Present government has started to implement the project of Gramoday to Bharatoday. Gramoday means village. Progress of the village to Bharatoday means progress of rise of India. That is why if the village is prosperous, what will happen? Automatically India will become prosperous. That is why which has yielded the construction of infrastructure, development of cottage industries, small scale industries and many other constructive projects through which poverty alleviation will be made possible. So new government, present government has implemented so many things. For example, they have already applied good infrastructure at the village level. Second, they had started to give too much impetus to the cottage industry of the village, and at the same time they had started to give again so much advantages to the small scale industries and more other constructive projects which are given to the village, so the poor people, poor laborer of the village people can get job and they will become at least prosperous. Government has levied the heavy taxes upon the expensive commodities, which is the most important thing, because if the heavy taxes on the expensive or luxurious commodity, what will happen? People, the rich people can give too much tax, so money can be extracted from the rich people. Even the expensive commodities like the TV, mobile, even car, government has levied too much taxes, so money can be easily extracted from the rich people, so economy automatically will become prosperous. On the other hand, there will be the basic commodities which are requirement for the poor people are made very easily through public distribution system. PDS means ration card shop, ration shop at the village level. Even the basic requirement for the food and even sometimes cloth and some of the requirement are being fulfilled through the PDS and such type of the other system. Moreover, government works on to reduce the productions of the commodity which are needed by the rich, and they started to invest more in the production of the commodities of the poor people. So we can say it can rear the effect of efficiency and production. People nowadays they are getting the job even at the village level, and they are also engaged in the village. That is why the migration is also become stop. Agriculture is given more preference because the 60% people are engaged in agriculture or agricultural related business. So agriculture is given more preference for the poverty alleviation, for the Land Regulation Act as well as Land Ceiling Act, which are too much advantageful to the laborers and the small farmers and the farmers who are landless, and the landless workers are benefited because of the Land Regulation Act and Land Ceiling Act. That is why nowadays they are enjoying the small farm of their own. Moreover, government gives incentive. Incentive means a particular advantage either in the form of gift or any kind of the money, or special to fishermen, special to the people who are working in the forest, even the dairy industry, small irrigation project, and the cattle rearing project. So all these people who are generally the laborer, who are always attached with the fishing men, means fishermen, foresters, and dairy industries, small irrigation projects, and cattle rearing project. Government has already installed the facilities like communication, road, health, education, employment, and family planning, because nowadays government are also working in the communication. That is why the village nowadays are becoming too much technological. Even today the roads of the village are comparatively too much good. Even the health facilities at the village level in the form of the PHC, primary health center, and at the tehsil level, taluka level, CHC, community health center, are comparatively good. Even the education is also going to be improved at the village level because of the all this facility. That is why people nowadays are not migrating too much, and there is number is decreased. Government acted to check migration to urban area by implementing project for higher yielding crop seeds, fertilizers, tractor bank loans, etc. So government is working on all these things, and government is also starting the school, colleges, training center everywhere, even at the small centers. That is why people are not going to be migrated, labor are not going to be migrated for the employment. Students of the rural area must be offered the scholarship, economic aid, and other things. That is why further ashram schools should be started to ensure education to them. So students who are poor at the village level, the students or children of the poor people are also getting economic aid. Sometimes they are getting cycle and other facility. Even the scholarship is also provided by the government, so they cannot leave the education and they cannot leave the village. Sakhi mandals are also formed for women empowerment and their capacity building. That is why even the village women can get and enjoy each and everything like other women of the city. At least they are well aware regarding their rights, and they are not nowadays captive, and that is why their capacity is also increased. So government has implemented constructive project to check the migration to urban area. So they had started so many projects to remove the poverty. So all these steps are taken by the government to remove the poverty, and that is also an important thing, and this is an important short note. Thank you very much.